Evening, YouTube. I have another knife to review. This knife was purchased at Walmart. It was given to me by my son. Let's take a look. It's made by Ozark Trail, 7-inch pocket knife. It's got a stainless steel blade with a stag finish. There's the stag handle. Looks pretty nice. On the back, it says a 7-inch pocket knife. Ozark Trail, 3-inch stainless steel blade, 4-inch stag finish handle, frame lock, and packet clip. There are all the instructions. There's the clip for the belt clip. Okay, YouTube, stay tuned. I'm going to be back in a minute and get it out of the box. Hello, we're back. I have it out of the packaging now, and let's take a closer look. It's got a protective case on the end of it. It says Ozark Trail. I really like the feel of the handle of the knife. It's kind of got a different design with all these circles and the slit here. We'll turn it over. Looks like the back of the handle is kind of like stainless also with a belt clip. It's got some serrated edges there on top. And to close the knife, you push down on this insert right here and then pull down on the blade. And it closes right up. I don't think the knife's a very expensive knife from Walmart, but it's a nice, decent looking, different type of knife. Haven't ever seen one like this. We'll open it back up. You push this little button here up, opens the blade back up and locks in. Okay, there you go, YouTube. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.